Hi, it's Imogen from Perfect Placement, and I'm here to introduce another of our fantastic motor trade opportunities in the Reading area. Our client is an established independent garage with a history going back 4 decades, and they have developed a respected reputation and are classed as a leader in what they do throughout Berkshire. This company are looking to hire an experienced workshop foreman, preferably from an independent background or a workshop controller who is fed up of the cutthroat main dealer environment and wants to work in a close-knit, family-orientated atmosphere. The ideal candidate will be very much still hands-on, as well as leading the established team of workshop professionals. This company are offering a basic salary of at least $30,000 plus, dependent on experience. This vacancy is being managed by one of our recruitment executives, Ben Loft, and he'd love to hear from anyone that's interested. Like all of our vacancies, we are just looking to introduce the right person to our client. Last year we had over 700 people take advantage of our referral scheme. Now it's even easier. Please forward this video to anyone you know who'd be interested. Please ask them to mention your name when applying. We'll pay you up to £100 in vouchers of your choice just for a successful referral. Thanks for watching, and please keep an eye out for more videos like this.